So we are 1 week from the June 29th deadline to pre-order our first week of our MOA summer camp kits. Theme for that first week is amazing archaeology, and we're focusing on some excavations, and we're focusing a little bit on what's on our archaeological site, the Lawson site, which we've been talking so much about. So if you are interested and you've been thinking about ordering our MOA camp kits, you have 1 week to get in for that first week. As well, we have a discount for all 6 weeks of 10% if you pre-order all of them by that June 29th cutoff. After that, they'll be available the week prior for the next 6 weeks. So I wanted to talk to you about these today because I've been doing, most of my work has been on these for the last few weeks, starting to put these together. We are planned, we have lots of things that we're gonna do. We're beginning to assemble these. I've got new students starting who are gonna be helping me with these. And I think they're gonna be a lot of fun. So, what are they exactly? I'm sort of tossing out words and things like that and mini descriptions, but the best way to describe them is if you've seen those meal kits that you can get, where you get all your ingredients and you get the step-by-step instructions with pictures of how to put those new and interesting and different recipes together. That's my inspiration because I love those. I have one coming this week. Very excited about the poutine burgers. It's gonna be cool. But that's what these are like. So you have all of the materials. Some materials you're going to be going out to hunt for in the areas around your house or in your backyard or in the park, places like that, because we're going to get you out into nature. Everybody's been inside, and pretty much every single week there is some activity that is going to have you going outside, finding some sticks, finding some rocks, finding some leaves, and we're going to use those in these crafts and activities. We won't be including glue or crayons or scissors, but for the most part, all of the materials plus some nature that you'll be collecting are all there and ready for you to put them together with step-by-step, printed out, visual instructions to do that. So as our little sort of beginning to this video alluded to, are you tired of Zoom? Are you tired of being on the computer? You don't need to be with our MOA summer camp kits. You can be. We will have video instructions for those who are not tired of the computer, who would like to go online and have my summer student, Stephen, who's going to be teaching and going through all of these all of these activities step by step, teaching a little bit about them. But again, all that information is going to be printed out in your kit, ready to go. And as well, we're having our sort of once a day interactive activities that you can tune into, interact with, talk to us, form a friendship, or you can ignore us entirely and do everything on your own. It's really up to you. Or you can do a bit of both, whatever you would like to do. We like to make things really flexible at the Archaeology Museum. So I was just going to list through some of these activities that we have that are going to be in these kits. They are, as I said, they're intended to inspire you to go outside with your kids, with your parents, with your grandparents, with your babysitters, whoever the children in the household might be doing these with. They're aimed at ages 5 to 9. They can go a little older if the children in that sort of 10 to 12 range are game. And they're learning about archaeology, the processes of archaeology, the methods of archaeology, the content. So we have a little bit of indigenous inventions and other things that you would find within the village, as well as the sciences behind archaeology. We're going to look at what rots and what doesn't. We are going to, what are we going to do? We're going to be doing some mini excavations. We got 2 coming in the first week. Some mystery puzzles. The second week of our camp kits is entirely focused on puzzles. Archaeologists are kind of like detectives of the past, which is puzzles that we put together with all sorts of clues. So that week is entirely focused on puzzles and clues and putting them together and discovering what they mean. We're going to learn how to walk like an archaeologist. If you've ever seen archaeologists walking, we look at the ground and we look around us. And so we're going to focus on what we see around us and sort of learn a new way to observe the world around you. We're going to build some mini mammoths. A lot of our activities are going to be are going to be cut out on our Cricut machine, so they should be nice and clean pieces that will fit together perfectly, and all uniform and the same, which is fantastic. We are going to have a lot of different games. So there's 2 games included in each of these kits, and they are for families to play, for kids and siblings to play. Not all of them, but we're going to be having some battleship archaeology, some Guess Who archaeology, if you ever Guess Who, that game there. We're going to be doing, there's a board game, an archaeological board game that will be in one of them. Pin the Tail and the Giant Beaver, that's our Ice Age week. And a lot more. We're making some pottery, which is our most popular activity that we've had at the museum. So we're going to send out a little bit of clay to everybody. We can make our pinch pots and then paint them. We're going to talk about rocks. We're going to talk about flowers. We're going to talk about the leaves on the trees and what those leaves look like, and then we're going to make some art with them. These are throughout all the 6 weeks. And there's a lot more as well. You can find out the full list for each week on our shop website. The link to our website is on the very first page of the Archaeology Museum website, which is archaeology, ARCHAEOLOGY, museum.ca. And on the very first page, you'll find a link to take you to their shop. And there will be on the shop, or on each of the listings for the different weeks, the full contents of what will be in those kits. Or at least for the main things. We'll also have some bonus things that are in each of them, as well as the live videos. So those will be some interactive Mad Libs, some story time, show and tell Fridays, I think is what we're going to be going with. So what you make throughout the week from the kits or anything else that you want to share, you can show those to us, and we can all enjoy what everybody is working on, what everybody's creating. So they start at $30 for a 1-child kit. If you want to just get one and share between a family, that's perfectly fine. If you want to have more, you can get kits with multiple sets of crafts for 2 or 3 children. And yeah, so those, and those can also be for pickup. If you're in London and it's convenient for you to come by the museum between 1 and 7 p.m. on the Monday that the camp kits come out, so the first week will be July 6th, then that's free. And then we also have a flat $6 rate to ship it out to anywhere in Ontario. So whichever works best for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. My email is katie@archaeologymuseum.ca. And I will be happy to answer anybody's questions about what will be in the kits, what exactly one of the activities might be. We are in the process of putting together all of the little details, and those will be ready and going out soon. So, thank you very much, and I hope everybody has a really great week. We're nearing the end of June and it's crazy. So anyway, thank you everybody, and bye-bye.